How's it going today, guys? Today is Saturday. Fuck, who knows the date, but just got done with the first ride at area. I did use Chad's GoPro. Hopefully I can get the footage of it. I know it did record, but I don't know. Those files are huge. Just kind of getting used to the bike. I love the bike overall compared to the Yamaha. Fuck that piece of shit that is going bye-bye. Just gonna get parted out anyways, so who cares? But oh yeah, the bike is super smooth in the corners. It corners amazing. I know people are bitching about the rear shock and whatnot, but I didn't really see too big of a deal in it. On that track, at least, it was planting pretty good. It's kind of springy, like in braking bumps and stuff like that. It doesn't like to plant like the normal Showa shocks. But forks are great. Like the suspension for my weight is like perfect. I know at one point, if the GoPro does come through, at one point I'm just gonna throw the whole GoPro in there. I don't really feel like cutting everything. You guys can watch it. Don't want to, I don't care. But I overshot the shit out of this step up, and oh my god, it hurt pretty good. But the suspension took it pretty good, and yeah. So heading home right now. Today is Saturday, so they are having a 2-day practice. So tomorrow they're having practice too. I think I might head out. I'm not too sure yet. But I'll get that figured out tonight, and I'll probably get more footage and make this a 2-day riding video thing. I did have one issue. It's a pretty big issue actually, because it had me really nervous at first. As you guys know, I broke in the bike, and I rode at Ram Jam. I didn't really ride, I just puttered around. Didn't really hit the gas or nothing. And pull in here real quick. The old shop I used to work at. But I pulled in. I was letting it warm up, and all of a sudden it made some of these weird ass noises, like something was ticking like crazy. Then all of a sudden it shut off, and when I went to kick it, it had no compression. And I'm like, oh fuck, you know, not really no compression. There was some there, but it wasn't what it should have been, and I cannot see dick. Okay, it's good, but basically the decompressor for the cam was getting stuck, and what it was doing was it was just letting the kicker not, you know, fully get all the compression. It was leaving, you know, the valve open or whatever it does a little bit to lose compression a little bit, so it's easier to kick. But it went away, and I didn't really want to ride it, but I did. And about an hour later, go out for the next practice, letting it warm up, just letting it idle there. Did it again, and I think I'm gonna have to call the dealership or something like that, because it shouldn't have happened. It shouldn't happen at all. It's a brand new bike. I never even really rode it, like I was saying. I didn't even open it up. That was the first time I opened it up today, and it's got good power. It's smooth delivery, and overall it's a great bike. So I think once I get rid of this other Yamaha, see it right there, I'm going to be picking up another Suzuki, and yeah. But this is gonna be like the intermediate, actually no, not intermediate, this is gonna be the before clip of the GoPro riding. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I will talk to you either tomorrow or later today. 110, just sold it. Said fuck with it. Still made 300 bucks on it, so I don't give a fuck. You guys didn't even see that video yet, so that'll be the one prior to this. That one's not even uploaded yet. I'm planning on doing that tonight. No, not tonight. It'll be out Sunday, so you guys will see that. This video will probably come out Monday or something like that. Header came in finally. Boom, boom. Got her put on, looking mighty fine. Doing a filter on the bike. Currently don't have any extra filters, and I like the OEM Suzuki ones, so clean that up. So today there was a kid rolling a jump, and I rolled it behind him, and the idiot behind me, oh no, let's not fucking roll it, let's try to hit it, you know, and fucking, oh yeah, right into the fucking back of Andrew. Fucking first time out too. I mean, it's a dirt bike at the end of the day, but still, it was literally the first time I was on the track with it. First fucking lap, and then this bullshit happens. Right there, boom. It's not really even that bad, but still, it was preventable. You just wasn't paying attention. So be it. But yeah, my little pet peeve right there. Just gonna bug me now because I wanted to run I didn't want to put graphics on the string arm. I usually like them pretty clean. But on these cases, they get wore down pretty quick. Put probably 2 hours on the bike today, and it's running great now. It's got good power. People are, like I was saying before, people are complaining about the rear shocks on these. Like my buddy Tim there, he put on the Olin's one, and I really didn't see too big of an issue with it. I mean, in the braking bumps, it was pretty choppy, I will admit, but like in the corners and stuff, it plants and goes. Like I didn't have any issues there. But yeah, overall, bike's solid. I really like it. If anyone's looking to get one, I definitely would. Personal opinion. I wouldn't steer you guys in the wrong direction. Suzuki's are the best cornering bikes, hands down. My opinion. You know, everything I'm saying is basically opinion based, but Suzuki's over the years have always been good cornering bikes. The bike's got plenty of power too. If you have a 450 and you're using all the power, you're not going to, unless you're fucking Eli Tomac watching this video or someone like that who, you know, uses literally 100% of the bike. It's not going to matter. You're a fucking local rider. Get over yourself. Pipe's just basically for looks. You guys should know that by now. It does open it up a little bit, though. This thing fucking barks. If you hear it in person, it is a loud motherfucker. It tops this bitch by like a lot. And this bike's fucking loud as shit, too, if you've heard that one. But I might put the insert in it and see how it sounds. If it just quiets down just a little bit. But I'm going to bring the couplers with me tomorrow and dick around with those, because the bike does pop once in a while when I'm on it. Like hit the rev limiter or something like that in the air. This rev limiter does come on very quick on this bike. That one comes on kind of late, which is weird, but it's just the way it's set up, I guess. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, Sunday, and yeah, I'll see you then.
In the back of the Jeep, my young niggas, my young